In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate eye-catching gold alphabet letters into your Canva projects. Whether you're designing a special invitation, crafting a unique poster, or just looking to add a touch of elegance to your creative work, this simple guide will have you dazzling your audience in no time. Let's kick things off by heading over to your Canva project. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to canva.com. Once you're there, open your existing project, or if you're starting fresh, feel free to create a new design. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it really easy to jump right in. If you're revisiting a project, you'll find your designs conveniently listed on your homepage. Make sure the project you're working on is open and ready for customization. Now we're going to focus on adding those luxurious gold alphabet letters. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen, and you'll notice a menu with various tools. Click on Elements. This will open up a whole world of images, graphics, shapes, and more that Canva offers to enrich your design. What's great about this section is its vast library of visual assets that can turn a basic project into something truly remarkable. In the Elements search bar, type in gold alphabet. Hit Enter, and you'll see a collection of gold letter designs appear. These are perfect for giving your project a refined touch. Take your time to browse through the options. The gold alphabet styles can vary, and selecting the one that suits your vision is essential. Once you've found a style you like, simply click on the individual letters you need. They'll be automatically inserted into your project. Each letter can be adjusted to fit the design requirements. Click and drag them to your desired position on your canvas. You might want to resize them for balance, and you can do that by clicking on any corner of the letter graphic and dragging it to shrink or enlarge. Don't worry about getting it just right on the first try. Canva is great for experimenting. You can move and adjust elements until they meet your aesthetic goals. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've transformed your Canva project into an eye-catching masterpiece that exudes sophistication. Adding gold alphabet letters is a quick and effective way to elevate the entire look of your design. Whether it's for personal use or a professional project, these glistening details can make a significant impact. That wraps up today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough both helpful and inspiring as you continue to explore what's possible with Canva. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.